Hey friends, let's do some salad that has some protein in it for lunches this week. So first of all, I have 3 summer squash here, about 1.5 pounds. And then I have some feta. Now this feta has some basil and tomato in it to make it extra yummy. If not, I would just be picking basil and oregano and things out of the garden. We have 1 can of garbanzo chickpeas. We also have some olives. These, I happen to get these on sale, garlic stuffed olives. Otherwise, I just be using black olives. We have some red onion. I went and picked a bunch of parsley out of the garden. We've got some lemon juice, some olive oil, and then we have our all-purpose seasoning, just like that. So my son started his first real full-time job. Him and his friend are writing together. These guys are going to be working 50 hours a week, and then in August they're going to be also starting full-time as students. So they're going to have a crazy schedule, and they're going to need lots of good food. Now the original recipe for this, you just dice up your summer squash really fine. I happen to use this chopper with the really teeny tiny little things, but my son prefers the squash to be steamed just a little bit. Still bitey, but steamed a little. So we're gonna chop it up, steam it for just like 2 minutes. I absolutely love this chopper. It makes quick work of everything. You can find it at my TikTok shop. I've had it for over a year. Maybe closer to 2 years, I'm not really sure, but it's a great chopper. Tell me what all things you pack for lunches in your house. So the day before yesterday, I did him 5 pounds of beef in the crock pot, and that's what he's been taking yesterday and today. So it looks just like that, and we're just gonna steam it for 2 minutes. Chop up the red onion here. Just use, I don't know, maybe about 1/3 of a cup, something like that. Depending upon your taste, it's totally up to you. I'm also just going to put the olives straight through there. These are super yummy. They're garlic stuffed. But the cheese and the chickpeas and all will have protein in them to go along with their main meal. Now for the parsley. My parsley's doing crazy in the garden. How is you all's doing? So we just chopped that onion, olives, and parsley up in there. And now we're going to add that can of drained chickpeas. Also going to add that feta. You could use any kind of cheese you wanted here. We're just using feta, and we're going to hit it with some olive oil and lemon juice. This is where you need to season it. Add your salt and pepper if you like it pretty basic, but I use my all-purpose seasoning that I show you all how to make all the time. It has a ton of herbs in it. You could also use any like soul food seasoning or just like an all-purpose. What I mean by cooking it, see, it's still like really crispy. I just like steam it for about 2 minutes to take off that extra crunch, but it's still crunchy. So I just rinsed it in cool water until it cooled down and then strained it. All right, I need a bunch of containers that are like about 1 cup for all the different things. I have quite a few of Tupperware. I have quite a few in Tupperware, but I think I'm going to need a lot more with me packing everyone's lunches in this house. Everybody eats all their food from this house. Like, we're not vending machine people or go through the drive-thru people. So anyways, is there another company out there that I should look beyond Tupperware? But I love Tupperware because it lasts like inevitably, and it also is like totally leak proof. So that's what I'm thinking, unless somebody else has another recommendation. And there you have it. That is the Greek zucchini salad. I used some yellow squash as well, so feel free to substitute. Y'all have a blessed day.